Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. Today we have got series update on Terra Classic. We have got this new proposal, and in today's video we will figure out how 1.2% barn proposal will be executed. And also in this video I will explain you if famous crypto exchanges like Binance, like Coinbase will implement this mechanism on their platforms. So before we move to this, don't forget to like this video. Let's reach 20 likes on this video to make another update on Terra Classic. And also, if you like my content, you can subscribe my channel. We are getting near to 5k subscribers, guys. So let's get into it. We already know that both proposals 3568 1.2% barn and 4095 re-enable staking are already ready to be installed. They both are already tested as well. According to this new proposal, the next 10 days will be very critical for these two proposals, which are 1.2% barn and re-enabling staking and delegation. So let's read the important thing from this proposal. If TFL doesn't provide any communication and doesn't merge, build and distribute the code in support of 3568 and 1495 in 10 business days from the time this proposal may pass governance, else it is proposed that this code will be distributed to validators from the following repository. So you can see the GitHub links here. What it says is that Kwon and TFL team should come forward and manually implement the code on chain, because we had all these proposals passed. Now we have got the code ready. The proposals are already passed the governance, and now this new proposal is to show okay if the team do not in the next 10 business days from when this new proposal reaches the governance. After 10 days, if Terra team doesn't implement this themselves, then the validators on the chain will do it automatically. And now the question is, will Kwon come across and implement this proposal himself, these two proposals? Personally, I don't think so. So after this proposal will be passed, I think that it will take about 1 or 2 days, and after it will be passed, after 10 days, it will be automatically implemented. And also a lot of people are asking me as well, will 1.2% barn be on exchanges from this proposal? Answer is yes, 1.2% barn will be automatic. It doesn't matter if exchanges like Binance accept it or deny it. So it doesn't matter what Binance will think about this topic, but barn will be automatically done on chain on every transaction, guys. So 1.2% will be sent on barn wallet automatically. So this was the major update on Terra Classic. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking like buttons. Let's reach 20 likes on this video, and also thank you for subscribing. Let's hit 5k subscribers as soon as possible. See you in the next video.